Crazy Chef, welcome back to the video. Welcome back to the vibe. So today I'm gonna make an easy cinnamon roll recipe. So today we're making cinnamon roll. So today we're gonna make it a little bit different. I've tried a couple of things to come up with this recipe, and I think I found the perfect recipe for the perfect cinnamon roll with a difference. So let's get into the recipe. Let's get into the vibe. So to make this recipe, you need 3 cups of baking flour. So we add 3 cups of baking flour, 2 tablespoons or 1 package of active dry yeast. You're gonna need a 1/4 cup of cornstarch and a 1/4 cup of sugar, pinch of salt, and that's for your dry ingredients. So after we've put all our dry ingredients together, what we're gonna do is we're gonna sieve our dry ingredients, because that gives you a nicer, fluffier vibe for the cinnamon rolls. And for our wet ingredients, you need 3/4 of a cup of warm milk and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. And if you're wondering why we're not putting the yeast in the hot mixture, is that's kind of part of the vibe. So we're doing it a little different. So we sieve that, we turn it over, and we pour the yeast, because the yeast won't get through the sieve. So that's part of the vibe. So we're gonna do it a little different, and we're adding the yeast to our dry mixture this time. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add our wet mixture, 2 tablespoons of butter, 3/4 of a cup of warm milk. We're gonna knead that with our hand, and then we're gonna place this in the warmest part of our house. Today, the warmest part of my house is in the window. So I'm gonna place it by the window, and I'm gonna leave it for anywhere from 45 minutes to an hour. And that's gonna give me my proofing. So you knead it, it's gonna clean the bowl, make it into a ball, then we're gonna cover it, and then we're gonna put it to proof. Then we're gonna take it. After proofing, we're gonna roll it out, and then we're gonna do the thing. So let's do our proofing first, and then we'll get into that other vibe. And as always, hit that like button. Hit that like button. And if you're not a subscriber, hit that red subscribe button, that button that says subscribe. So then you subscribe to the vibe. Hit the notification bell so you'll get notified when we post videos. And so we've covered our dough. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna set it in our window, and then we're gonna get ready. Yeah, so we set it in our window, 45 minutes to an hour. Soon as our dough doubles the size, what we're gonna do is we're gonna roll it out on our countertop. And so we'll roll our dough out. It's a little bit of a process, no rush necessary. So we'll just slowly roll our dough out. It's a timely process. Put some flour under there, because you need your dough to move. So we've rolled our dough out, and what we're gonna do is you wanna get some room temperature butter, some sugar, a little bit of cinnamon, and we're gonna use that to give it that vibe. So let's get into that. So we have our dough, we have our butter, we're gonna spread it all over the dough. And as I said, the recipe for this is in the description below. So if you need the recipe, ball by ball commentary, look down in the description, and the recipe is in there. So we've buttered our dough all the way So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna add some cinnamon. We're gonna sprinkle it with cinnamon. Cinnamon all over the dough. Just like that. And then we're gonna add sugar. So we're gonna sprinkle our dough with sugar. Just like that. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna add a little cornstarch, because what's gonna happen is the butter is gonna melt, the sugar is gonna melt, so the cornstarch is gonna keep everything together. So we're gonna add a little cornstarch and we're gonna give it a little bit rub. Then we're gonna roll and cut. Cutting is entirely up to you. Bigger the cut, bigger the butter. So once you've rolled it over, I'm putting a little cherries and a little raisins. You don't have to put that. That's optional. That's just me putting it. So back to the conversation. Cutting and sizing is entirely up to you. You can cut them big or you can cut them small, whatever you want. So roll it up. Around, next little log, and now we're going to cut it. So what we're going to do, we're going to cut the ends off. So we'll cut the ends off because you won't be able to use the end of it. So we'll cut the ends off. And we'll just cut them. See how nice those look? So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna put them back in our window and let them proof. So we'll put these back in the window. They're gonna twice the size again, and then we're gonna bake. So we're gonna just put them on our baking tray, then we're gonna roll some plastic over it, and we're gonna put it back in our window. So now, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna put some plastic wrap over it, and we're gonna put it in our window to proof. Twice the size, then we're gonna bake. So, proofing process, and as I said, 45 minutes to an hour. So, that's what you get. What I did is I take a little bit of sugar, some water, I made a simple syrup, and I reduce it to make a little glaze, and that's what we're gonna use for our buns. So this is our buns. We're gonna put these in our oven. We're gonna bake and see how beautiful they're gonna come out. So this is our finished product. That's our finished product. Then we're gonna hit that with our glaze, and that's gonna be cinnamon bun. Nice recipe, easy vibe, just awesome. So check the description down below for the recipe, and drop me a comment, tell me what you think. And as always, share the vibe.